Getting permission denied in Linux and don't know why? Let's fix it in 2 minutes. This happens when your user doesn't have the right permission. Remember, every file in Linux has an owner, which include read, write, and execute. Now, let us change this using the chmod command. You simply use +X, then name of the file. Hit enter. Now let us run it again. Now we have been able to change the permission and able to execute the script. Now we have given the right permission to the user and able to run our script. In summary, to fix permission errors, use chmod command for access. That's it. Now you can fix most permission issues in Linux. Please, may I ask you to subscribe to the channel, to like and to share. Watch the next video in order to see other interesting things you could do in Linux. Thank you.